Video really is the secret to getting buyer and seller responses. If you've been in Real Geeks for any period of time and you've been trying to contact leads, you've been calling, you've been emailing and texting, and you're not getting as many of them to either pick up the phone or as many of them to respond as possible, this simple trick, which I've been doing for many, many years and I've taught to many, many people, will get more responses, will build more rapport, and it includes video. So basically what you do is you go into email, and you click on new blank email template, add one of the templates or choose one of the templates you want, and then you click on this little button here that says add video. So Real Geeks has a video recording tool built right in for email, which is really, really amazing. There's another one you can use, it's called BombBomb, but Real Geeks actually has it already like natively built, which is pretty phenomenal. What I have done, I learned this maybe 12 or 13 years ago initially. What I have done is I take a particular lead that I think is really valuable. They're looking at lots of properties. They're looking at high value properties. And what I do is I film a quick video for them. And what I do is I take like a piece of paper and I put their name across it right here. So the video GIF, if you will, that is actually populated in the email pane says Kory or John or something. So the very intro of the video goes like this, and they look at it, it has their name on the video. So of course, the likelihood they're going to click it's really high. Then what I do is I find somebody who's looked at a specific property multiple times, maybe 3, 4, 5 times. I go into my realtor version of MLS that has the title search, it has the property disclosure statement, it has any other docs that are not publicly available. I take those documents and I attach them to this email and I film a quick video with the page or their particular name on a piece of paper. And in that video, I say, hey, Bill, thanks so much for visiting the website. There's this particular property that I think may be of interest to you. I've grabbed the title search, the property disclosure statement, and a bunch of other these documents that are not publicly available. So I want to give this as a value to you. If there's any other properties you'd like this for, you cannot find these documents anywhere else, just simply reply back and I'd be happy to get them for you. Again, my name's Kory. I really appreciate you using the website. Have an amazing day. And then I just send that off. And in fact, I sent that off to 25 people per day when I was in production. And I promise you, if you do that as well, you will get more responses and you'll get more deals. In fact, not only will you get more responses, oftentimes you'll get people responding who are not ready to buy or sell, but their mind is just blown. They go, wow, thank you so much. That's so unique. I really appreciate you taking the effort. We'll be in touch when we're looking to buy or sell. So I will see the rest of you in the next video. Implement this today and tomorrow you'll have better results. Take care.